Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Kids, welcome to Junior KG. My name is Reena Tomar. I know that you all are excited to learn more. But before that, did you remember that what we have learned yesterday? Yes, we learned the pre-number cassette, wet and dry. And did you enjoy the activity? Good. Now let's revise the pre-number cassette, wet and dry. These are wet rice. These are dry rice. Wet, dry. Wet raisins. These are dry raisins. Wet, dry. This is wet hanky. This is dry hanky. Wet, dry. This is wet cotton. This is dry cotton. Wet, dry. Now kids, let's revise the pre-number concept wet and dry through a video.
The umbrella is wet. And this umbrella is dry. The child is wet. This child is dry. The cloth is wet. This cloth is dry. Can you tell me if the leaves are wet or dry? The leaves are dry. Are these leaves wet or dry? The leaves are wet. Is this land dry or wet? The land is dry. Is this land dry or wet? The land is wet. Is this child wet or dry? The child is dry. Is this child wet or dry? The child is wet. Is the tissue wet or dry? The tissue is dry. Is this tissue wet or is it dry? The tissue is wet.
Now kids, let's revise the pre-number concept with the help of worksheet.
Kids, in this worksheet, you have to circle the wet picture with blue color and the dry picture with red color. Let's see the first picture. In this picture, as you can see that the cat is wet. So, you have to circle it with blue color. Let's see the second picture. In this picture, as you can see that the cat is dry. So, you have to circle it with red color. In this way, kids, you have to circle the wet and dry picture with blue and red color.
Kids, I hope with the help of this worksheet, you may have learned the pre-number concept wet and dry. Kids, take care of yourself. Don't go outside. Stay at home. Bye-bye.